First, open up your Expeditions app and then search your tours. Let's put in Paris. Once you find the tour that you want to go to, you just click on that tour and then you wait for it to download on your iPad. Once it's been downloaded, you can view it in VR, or click Guide to guide your students around. When you click Guide, it'll pop up with a number for your students to join. Just click Got It. When your students go into class on theirs, they will see you as a guide. You can see the number of students that have joined your tour up in the top right-hand corner. As you click on the areas that you want to go to, it'll automatically direct the students to that area by putting a circle around it. Also notice that in the top right-hand corner, you have a marker so that you can draw on the screen to illustrate what it is you're talking about. When you see the little smiley faces pop up, it means that your students are actually looking in the area where you want them to look. You're all packed and ready to embark. Have fun!